In this video, I'm going to show you how to change verified email on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Snapchat application and then get in your profile. Tap on your profile icon right here at the top left, and here tap on your gear icon right here, and there you will find at the 5th place your email. Just select that, and here is your existing email, and you can simply change it. Just delete all this existing data and enter here a new email. I just entered my another email and then I tap continue. Here at that step I need to enter my Snapchat password to confirm that action, and then tap continue again. And here it is, that's it. I've just changed my email on Snapchat. You see how it's simple and easy, and I hope it was helpful for you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.